Good morning. Just a little update on the our new truck wash, MOT Stertil lifts, which have replaced our old ones, what were about 12 years old. This is the state-of-the-art scissor system where our trucks and people's trucks can just come in, drive on. It will lift a lorry and a trailer in one go, and we can do underneath. We'll give you a bit of an update on the progress later on, but as you can see, working very hard. It's Daniel. Say hello, Dan. Yeah. Yeah. Incredible engineering there. German engineering, I believe. It's all our new water recycling system, and yeah, it's all sort of state-of-the-art stuff. So I think Stertil are probably one of the best, and yeah, happy Mondays. There you go, only been gone 1 hour. This is the progress. Hello again. In fact, come and have another look. I'm a little bit sad because I find this really quite exciting. It's took a lot of work to actually get this new equipment installed. A lot of effort's gone into this. Our team's worked for weeks, months to replace the old one, and yeah, and this is not far from finished, but as you can see, progress is coming on lovely. So we'll keep you updated.